meditation. I invite you to make yourself comfortable. Take a deep breath. Slowly exhale. And just for a moment, realize how fortunate you are to be alive, to be the person you are, and to be here now. None of us know what the future will bring. So in a moment of silence, let each of us hope for what we would like to experience today, this afternoon. Hope for a loving conversation with somebody. Hope for a beautiful time with nature of some sort. Hope for rest, relaxation, hope for well-being. And let those hopes be the stepping stones that lead you to manifesting that in your life today. In the silence. Slowly bring yourself back to this time and this place. And as you do so, feel a sense of hopefulness within you. Regards to all the problems in the world that we face, all the individual challenges that we face, all the things that have us worrying, filled with anxiety. Hope is what pulls back the curtains and lets us see there's a chance for better things to come. And so it is.
When it looked like the sun wasn't gonna shine anymore, God put a rainbow in the sky. When it looked like the sun wasn't gonna shine anymore, God put a rainbow in the sky.
Use me, oh God, I stand for you, and here I'll abide as you show me all that I must do. I used to think God was the sun, God is the sun, but God's so much more than the earth and the stars are all of creation. God is creator, all and all, needing us to shine His light as me, as you. So use me, oh God, I stand for you, and here I'll abide as you show me all that I must do. And all that I'm saying is command my hands. What must they do? Command my life. It's here for you. God is the love that heals all creation. God is creator, makes all things new, and God needs us to shine His light as me, as you. So use me, oh God, do